Hi, this is John from johnmichaelmarketing.com, and before I reveal to you how to make $75 per hour thanks to Google research, let me just quickly invite you to click on the link in the description box right here below this video so you can get instant access to my #1 recommendation to making money online. And if you're excited to see what's coming up, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel selecting the bell icon so you can get notified every single time we launch a new video on different ways that you can make money online and work from home. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Now, we're going to be talking about Google here, a Google website that allows you to get paid for researches. These are researches that Google does in order to evaluate how good their products are. So the cool thing is that anybody can participate in these researches. As you can see here, what kinds of people are you looking for? All kinds. You don't need to be a Google user, computer expert, or technology enthusiast to sign up. Would like to talk to anyone over the age of 18 who's ever used the internet in any way. So literally anybody can apply from anywhere in the world. All right. Now, if you're wondering how much you can get paid, $75 per hour, as we said. Now, this is their current FAQ right here. And it doesn't mention how much you get paid, but an older FAQ mentions here $75 per hour. This is a little research I've done. This is on Search Engine Roundable, earned $75 per hour with Google User Experience Research Survey. So do I get paid? Yes, it depends on the type of study, but typically we pay $75 per hour. Now these researches, keep in mind, they can be done either in the Google offices or they can be done remotely. That means you being home, wherever that is, whichever country. Another website here, zdnet.com, says the exact same thing, which is copied from the old FAQ. It says, do I get paid? Yes, it depends on the type of study, but typically we pay $75 for each hour. So again, another website here, Google Tutor. But let's see how you can get started right away and how you can apply to get paid $75 per hour with Google research. All right, so to get signed up, you click here where it says sign up now. Then you hit next. And here you choose, select the country where you live in. Okay, select other if it's not listed. Because I'm going to select other because I don't find my country here. So literally you can do this research from anywhere in the world. So I'm going to click next. It says, in which of these languages are you comfortable providing spoken feedback? So I'm going to say English here, and I'm going to go to next. So you see, they want feedback from people from all different countries and different languages. It doesn't matter. Okay. So click next. Postal code. I'm just going to put here a postal code here. City or town. I'm going to put here Athens. Age group, I'm going to put here that one. Next. First name. So here you're going to fill in your name and surname and all details. So your gender. It says, in which of the following ways would you like to participate in our study? So I'm willing to visit a nearby Google office to participate in a study. I'm willing to participate in a study remotely using my computer or mobile device. That's the one I'm going to choose. I'm willing to have a Google researcher come visit me. I'm willing to complete online surveys. So you can do it online. You can do it from home. I'm going to choose these options. Do you have any of the following connections to Google? I currently work at Google. I worked at Google in the past. I have an immediate family member. I have a close member. I have an acquaintance. None of the above, I will say. And I'll hit next. If you have a disability, please tell us what kind of impairment you have. I'm going to say here, none of the above. They have visual impairment, deaf or hard to hear, motor impairment, cognitive impairment, prefer not to say. I'm going to say none of the above. By checking I agree below that, blah, 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 blah. I'm going to say I agree. Next. All right, so welcome to the program, John Michael. A confirmation email was sent to you. I'm not going to say my email here, at gmail.com. Click below to continue. To stop, close the survey at any time. So I just hit here on continue. How did you hear about this opportunity to participate? Okay, this is another survey, so they see how you found out from us. Okay, so that's it. Okay, now I just apply. It doesn't mean that I'm gonna, they're gonna contact me right away and I'm gonna have a job right away, but we've applied and we have a chance of getting a job from Google for a certain research, okay, a certain research study, user experience research study. So if you got any value from this video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel for more cool videos like this on different ways so you can make money online and earn from home. And don't forget, before you leave, to click on that link right here below this video so you can get instant access to my #1 recommendation to making money online. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video.